Welcome back, everyone. I'm excited to share a simple home test with you today that can help you determine the health of your gut. Your gut health is incredibly important, as it affects your immune system, digestion, and overall well-being. Are you curious to find out if your gut is healthy? Well, stay tuned and let's dive right into it. Your gut health is a vital indicator of your overall health. An unhealthy gut can lead to a variety of issues such as bloating, constipation, and even impact your mental well-being. But how can you tell if your gut is healthy or not? Let's discuss a simple home test that will help you determine just that. Testing process. 1. The first step. In this home test is to pay attention to your bowel movements. A healthy gut typically experiences regular bowel movements, and they should be well-formed and easy to pass. Irregular or inconsistent bowel movements may indicate potential issues with your gut health. 2. The second step, observing your stomach. Put your hand on your belly and feel for any bloating, cramping, or discomfort. A healthy gut should feel comfortable and relatively flat. If you notice bloating or consistent stomach discomfort, it may be a sign of an unhealthy gut. 3. The third step involves assessing your overall energy levels and mood. Gut health has a strong connection with your mental well-being. If you have low energy levels, experience mood swings, or feel consistently fatigued, it could be a sign of poor gut health. 4. The fourth step, analyzing your food cravings. Cravings for unhealthy, sugary, or processed foods may indicate an imbalance in your gut bacteria. A healthy gut usually craves fresh, whole foods instead. 5. The fifth step, considering any skin issues you may be experiencing. Skin conditions like acne, eczema, or psoriasis can often be related to poor gut health. If you have persistent skin issues, it's worth examining your gut health. By paying attention to these 5 steps, you can gain valuable insights into the health of your gut. Remember to take note of any abnormalities or persistent symptoms during this self-assessment. Interpreting the results. Now that you have completed the home test, it's important to interpret the results correctly. If you observed consistent, well-formed bowel movements, a comfortable stomach, stable energy levels, cravings for whole foods, and healthy skin, your gut health seems to be in good shape. However, if you noticed irregular bowel movements, discomfort or bloating in your stomach, low energy levels, cravings for sugary or processed foods, or persistent skin issues, it could indicate potential gut health concerns. In such cases, it's advised to consult with a healthcare professional for further investigation and guidance. By following this simple home test, you now have a better understanding of your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. Be sure to prioritize a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and seek professional advice if needed. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.